Today, we are making Korean kimchi pancake. It is super easy and simple, but the flavor is seriously next level. Pair this with makgeolli and good company, and you have a perfect Korean night. Let's get started. First, the onion. Slice it deep. We want a natural sweetness, not the crunch. And that's it. Onion is ready. Next, kimchi. Chop it very fine. Any method works. Just keep it small. Almost like you are mixing it. And that's it. Kimchi is ready. Now, let's make the batter. Add chili flakes, sugar, and fish sauce. Mix everything well. Then, add tempura mix and Korean pancake mix, along with 180 ml of water. Stir it all together, adding the water little by little, until everything comes together nicely. If you mix the batter too much, gluten forms and your kimchi pancakes will not stay crispy. So, keep it simple and mix just enough for the perfect crunch. Now, let's start cooking. Heat up a pan and add plenty of oil. Korean pancakes are best when they are almost fried. Once the pan is hot, lower the heat to medium. Kimchi pancakes can burn easily. Keep the heat at medium or lower. Spread the batter evenly onto the pan. Keep it thin, not too thick. That is how you get it nice and crispy. Once the bottom starts to set, flip it over. Now this is the important part. Use your spatula and press it down. So it spread out nice and thin. That is how you get a crispy texture. See that? It is cooking beautifully. Once it is nicely cooked, flip it again. Kimchi pancakes burn easily because of the chili flakes. So keep flipping it often. And every time you flip it, press it down in your spatula for that perfect crisp. And just like that, it is done. See that beautiful golden brown? Transfer it to a plate and you are all set. It's right. Now enjoy!
Yes! Wow, this is so good! Wow, wow, wow. Kimchi pancake with makgeolli just hit different. I cannot stop dancing.